In this set of video lectures, we will continue to talk about stability analysis of equilibrium points, and specifically, you will learn Lyapunov's direct method. In a previous video lecture, we saw how the control problem, both for regulation and tracking, led to the asymptotic stabilization problem. And you have learned the definitions of stability of equilibrium points for time-invariant systems. And you have learned one method for analyzing stability of equilibrium points for time-invariant systems. This was called Lyapunov's indirect method or Lyapunov's linearization method. In this set of video lectures, you will learn the most well-known and frequently used method for analyzing stability of equilibrium points, which is Lyapunov's direct method. We will still be looking at stability of equilibrium points of time-invariant systems, but later in the course we will also extend this to stability of equilibrium points of time-varying systems. After watching this set of video lectures, you will be able to use Lyapunov's direct method to analyze the stability properties of an equilibrium point. Specifically, you will know Lyapunov's theorems, which give sufficient conditions for stability, local and global asymptotic stability, and for local and global exponential stability. The video lectures are based on section 4.1 and will also include theorem 4.10 from section 4.5 in the book Nonlinear Systems by Khalil.